everyone. I'm Dr. Padmavati Tungaturthy from Teach Connect. I'm a quality education specialist. I'm on a mission of improving quality of education at schools. Class 10 CBSE examinations start from February 15th, 2023. As far as science is concerned, competency-focused practice questions booklet is released by CBSE. Whenever CBSE releases a book, it's very important for all of us to take a look at the book and make full use of that book. Students will find it interesting when the code of the subject or code of the chapter is unlocked. There are a few things. This booklet has many chapters in it, all the class 10 NCERT booklet questions. And in that, there are totally 16 chapters. Out of these 16 chapters, all of us know that the first chapter is chemical reactions and equation. Now, what is the core of this chemical reactions and equation chapter so that all the students improving, achieving, as well as the exceeding students will get good grades? We are also going to take care of this improving group very well so that they too get good grades. You must have already set a goal for those students. Now, when chemical reactions and equations chapter is to be revised with the student, there are a few core concepts. There are 8 points for this chapter. Out of this total 8 points, the first one is to understand what is a decomposition reaction. Second one is combination. The third point is double displacement. The fourth one, displacement. These all come under one core. And exothermic endothermic reaction, balancing the chemical equation, as well as the reactivity series. Chapter 1 is considered a title for the whole of the chemistry chapters. Therefore, if the child is able to understand these 8 points in and out, the student will be able to solve all the questions from this chapter 1. They must be thorough with decomposition, combination, double displacement, displacement, exothermic, endothermic, balanced chemical equation, and reactivity series. Now, it is not just reading the definition. It is about understanding the concept. If I am to share this competency-based question booklet with you all, I will share my screen with you. This is the book, Competency-Focused Practice Questions. And here, this book is released by CBSE. These are the chapters as usual. And look at the first chapter, chemical reactions and equation. For this chapter, these 8 points, now whatever I have told, the teacher should be able to grill on these subjects in and out. Only these 8 topics are discussed in this competency-based learning. The first one is, if we look at this question, they're talking about simple displacement. Along with that, that is decomposition, the combination, the reactivity series, or the reaction of metal with an acid. Then there is a double decomposition. Reaction of a metal with an acid is a displacement reaction. That's how the child, if she knows the complete 4 options, she will be able to do the test well. Now, the conditions necessary, the balance of the chemical equation, they all fall in chapter 8 points which are given for this chapter. This one, again, a decomposition reaction. Each component has to be discussed well. What's an anode? What's a cathode? Why these rubber stoppers are used? The complete core of it has to be taught to the student that this is an endothermic reaction. That's why we are supplying electricity. And this surface area concept and the reactivity of a substance when exposed to air, that's a chemical reaction occurring. Here, the state in which the reaction occurs. This is again a double displacement reaction, whether it has to happen or not. That means not only understanding a double decomposition reaction, the child has to understand the reactivity series included in this. Then this is a combination reaction, why there is a substance formed and why a substance is not formed. Writing a balance equation. Then question number 10, application of this. A silver metal is exposed to air and silver oxide is formed. The case-based studies are very, very important. It is easy to decode these case-based questions because the child can comprehend it well and solve the question very easily. This is how let us make use of this competency-focused practice question, and this is one chapter. If you all find this useful and like my video, then I will go and discuss about chapter 2 from this competency-focused practice question. Thank you very much. This video will be helpful to all the students who want to improve their grade and touch that A+ point 10. All the best to all the teachers first and also to the students. Thank you.